Part 27, E-banking. E-banking means banking transaction with the help of electronic equipments. Internet banking lets you handle many banking transactions via your personal computer with the internet connection. For instance, you may use your computer to view your account balance, request transfers between accounts, and pay bills electronically. Internet banking system and method in which a personal computer is connected by a network service provider directly to a host computer system of a bank such that a customer service request can be processed automatically without need for intervention by customer service representatives. The system is capable of distinguishing between those customer service requests which are capable of automated fulfillment and those requests which require handling by a customer service representative of the bank so that the remote banking customer can access other automated service of the bank. The method of the invention includes the steps of inputting a customer banking request from among a menu of banking requests a remote personal computer. Transmitting the banking request to a host computer over a network. Receiving the request at the host computer, identifying the type of customer banking request received, automatic logging of the service request, comparing the received request to a stored table of request types. Each of the request type having an attribute to indicate that the request type is capable of being fulfilled by a customer service representative or by an automated system. And depending upon the attribute, directing the request either to a queue for handling by a customer service representative or to a queue for processing by an automated system. This is the process of e-banking. E-banking e-banking means electronic banking. In this kind of banking, transactions are done with the help of electronic media instead of physical method. We know that with the help of computers, internet connectivity, or by mobile phone, we can use the various banking facility in modern time with the help of electronic media instead of a physical method. Physical method means we are directly going to bank and do various transactions with the help of the customer representative of the bank. This physical method changed with the help of electronic machines. The development in banking process is seen at a three process. We can check that development process in banking field. It is divided into three phase or three stages. First one, traditional process. The transactions of bank were done traditionally and the ledgers were maintained for entries of the account. The transactions of bank were done traditionally. We know that in traditional method, every account holder have a special page in their ledger or account book. In that transaction going to write and cancel their amount, add their amount to that account page. In addition to this, any other work such as keeping vouchers or checking the specimen signature, etc., was done without any type of machine. Completely using traditional method. It is fully by human efforts only, writing and keeping each and every details about various type of transaction and with the vouchers, different transactions receipt with the person's specimen signature also was done without any type of machines. All calculations, all entry and all transactions of the customer is noted by officers without any machine. And second stage, connecting computers through network. In the traditional process of banking, all computers lying in the same branch are connected through network. One of these computers among all computers of the same branch was called the server. In this way, connecting all computers of the same branch is possible and the banking process become easy and speedy. Second stages of banking process development is connecting with computer along with the internet connectivity. Completely changed the traditional method of keeping various type of ledgers and account and one of the computer is connected to other all computers of the branch, that is known as a server of that branch. In this way, connecting all computers of the same branch is possible and the banking process become easy and speedy. And third one, use of internet. Bank computers were connected through internet, as a result of which banking process become very easy and speedy. This server system is going to connect with the computers of a branch, but this use of internet, it is going to connect with the different branches of the same bank. This again make this transaction and banking activities into very speed. Three stages showing that a banking field going to change from traditional to the modern internet, core banking and a mobile banking. Banking transactions are done through internet. For this kind of system, bank has also set up a arrangement like e-corner or e-gallery. In this kind of transaction, the bank provides unique code or password to the customers. In this type, transactions are done into two ways: financial transaction and a non-financial transaction. Making internet and e-banking system, bank provide different facility to the customers, just like a arrangement like a e-corner or a e-gallery and a various specific banking app for different banks, and a bank will provide a specific or a unique code to customers to use this transaction, or a password given to the customers to use e-banking facilities. In this type of transactions are done into two ways: financial transaction and a non-financial transaction. First one, financial transaction. In financial transaction, bank account holder transfers money from his bank account to another bank account of the other bank account holder. This transaction is called financial transaction. Payment like telephone bill, tax bill, or electricity bill, any type of bill and payment, such payment are included in this financial transaction. And we can do different type of the financial transaction without a physical method or going to bank. And second one, non-financial transaction. In non-financial transaction, financial transaction is not included, but the account holder does the transaction like getting account statement, checkbook request, pin change, stop payment request, and other such non-financial transaction. We know that in financial transaction, money is transferred to one account to another, or the other type of the money transfer. But in non-financial transaction, it means that going to know about different information regarding the customers, about the getting account statement, checkbook request, and we can change our PIN numbers or a password we can change, and stop payment request also we can do through the e-banking facility, and it included the non-financial transaction. The following functions become easy due to the use of internet in bank. First one, core banking. Second one, e-banking. Third one, mobile banking. We can discuss one by one. Core banking. Meaning of core banking. Core banking is a banking service provided by a group of networked bank branches where customers may access their bank account and perform basic transaction from any of the member branch offices. Core banking is often associated with the retail banking, and mainly banks treat the retail customers as their core banking customers. Businesses are usually managed by the corporate banking division of the institution. Core banking covers basic depositing and lending of money. Core banking functions will include transaction accounts, loans, mortgages, and payments. Banks make these services available across multiple channels like automated teller machines or ATM, internet banking, mobile banking, and branches. Banking software and network technology allows a bank to centralize its record keeping and allow access from any location. In this system, all the branches of the same bank is located in the different parts of the world are connected to one another. In the centralized server of the bank, all the details of all the accounts of all the branches of the banks are available. Entry of the transaction of an account holder of a bank is recorded in the centralized server of the bank in real time. The change in entry occurring in this centralized server can be seen in all the branches of the bank. The account holder of any branch can complete his transaction from any other branches of this bank. He can withdraw or deposit the money or can do any transaction in his account from any other branch. Thus, the account holder becomes the customer of the bank and not of the particular branch. This process can be done in different branches of the same bank. Because of this arrangement, time and expenses of the both the bank and the customers are decreased. For banking system, a customer become a account holder of one of the branch, but he can use the facility of core banking from different branches of same bank all over the world. Any transaction is going to doing that directly coded in the home branch along with the other branches also. This is through the help of the centralized server system of the particular bank and it connected to different branches of the bank. E-banking or electronic banking. Electronic banking has many names like e-banking, virtual banking, online banking, or internet banking, etc. It is simply used as use of the electronic machines for different financial transaction and non-financial transaction. Electronic banking is a form of banking in which funds are transferred through an exchange of electronic signals rather than through an exchange of cash, checks, or other types of paper documents. E-banking is a product designed for the purpose of online banking that enables you to have easy and safe access to your bank account. E-banking is a safe, fast, easy, and efficient electronic service that enables you access to bank account and to carry out online banking services 24 into 7 basis this service is available. Means anytime we can use this facility. E-banking. In this present time, all banks are connected through internet to their branches by the medium of server. So a person can withdraw or deposit money from any other branches regardless of his home branch. Banks have established their e-corner at different places by means of which the customer can either withdraw or deposit money from his account through his ATM card with the help of machine. He can also know the balance in his account by this system. Because of this kind of transaction, the bank also registers the account holder's mobile number on which the customer receives messages whenever there is any transaction in his account. Banking works become easy because of this system. Third one, mobile banking. Mobile banking is the act of making financial transaction on a mobile device, that is that may be cell phone or tablet, etc. Advantages to mobile banking include the ability to bank anywhere and at any time. Disadvantages includes security concern and a limited range of capabilities when compared to bank in person or on a computer. Mobile banking is very convenient in today's digital age with many banks offering impressive apps, mobile banking apps also. The ability to deposit a check, to pay for merchandise, to transfer money to a friend, or to find an ATM instantly are reasons why people choose to use mobile banking. However, establishing a secure connection before logging into a mobile banking app is important, or else a client might risk personal information being compromised. Mobile banking is such a system through which any financial transaction is made possible from any corner of the world through electronic equipment, that is mobile phone with internet connectivity. The person need not have to go to the bank physically in this system, and can manage transactions like knowing the balance of the account, paying the light bill, gas bill, taxes, or making other payments. Money can be transferred from one account to another. The customer has to make an application to the bank in order to get this kind of service. The bank then provides login ID and a password for mobile banking. It is necessary to follow the security rules in the system. This part we studied about e-banking, different stages of development of banking system from the traditional to modern. Three phases we studied: traditional process, connecting computers through the network, use of internet, and a financial transaction and a non-financial transactions given by a bank with the help of core banking, e-banking, and a mobile banking.